बीजेपी जवाब दो। जब हमारा कुछ कह रहा है तो इंडिया खराब है। आपके मंत्री पर्सनल कमेंट्स करते हैं पर्सनली ऑन इलेक्टेड women. Head of the BJP in Maharashtra, he told me personally on record on television that Supriya Sule घर जाओ खाना बनाओ, कि आप करें तो ठीक और हम करें तो गलती. That will rule has to be same for everybody.
Maharashtra today, the state which I come from, sir, वहाँ मराठा आरक्षण, धनगर आरक्षण, लिंगायत आरक्षण और मुस्लिम आरक्षण, ये चारों आरक्षण जैसे महिला आरक्षण का मामला बहुत ही अच्छा है, मैं तहे दिल से उसका स्वागत करती हूँ. उसी तरह
come to the bill, please.
Yeah, I'm just making up. This is just an introduction about आरक्षण. This I'm not asking for this आरक्षण. I'm only saying कि मराठा, धनगर, लिंगायत और मुस्लिम आरक्षण का भी हमारे यहाँ बहुत बड़ा चल रहा है आज. तो उसके लिए भी अगर the government is open, we are very happy to debate it. He said that ये तो ST, SC, OBC का अभी मांग करेंगे. क्यों नहीं मांग करेंगे? सरकार से हम लोग ऑपोजिशन मांग नहीं करेगी तो कौन करेगा? एंड व्हाई नॉट? दिस इज अ ग्रेट गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑन 303. दे दीजिए, नथिंग रॉन्ग. सो व्हाई इज इट दैट वी आर ओनली आस्किंग फॉर समथिंग? बड़ा दिल करके आप ST, SC, OBC, लेट्स मेक अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट. इट्स अ स्पेशल सेशन. लेट्स सेंड अ मैसेज टू दिस नेशन दैट वी आर कमिटेड टू ST, SC and OBC. What is wrong with that? And if they have a different view, BJP must clarify that stand. The BJP had a head who was the head of the BJP in Maharashtra. He told me personally on record on television that Supriya Sule घर जाओ खाना बनाओ, देश कोई और चला लेगा, हम लोग चलाएंगे. This is what the BJP's mindset is. Another minister in their cabinet has used a derogatory word against me. So BJP जवाब दो. जब हमारा कुछ कह रहा है तो इंडिया खराब है. आपके मंत्री पर्सनल कमेंट्स करते हैं पर्सनली ऑन इलेक्टेड women member. I didn't even react. It was not even worth reacting. So I did not say or raise it. But since he brought it up, I just wanted to square it. कि आप करें तो ठीक और हम करें तो गलती. That will rule has to be same for everybody. Then what is this special session? तो अभी नहीं करते तो दिसंबर में कर लेते. We could have had other discussion. There's drought in this country. Why this special session? Cannot discuss drought. The Meghwal ji said that Lok Sabha में आएगा, राज्य सभा में नहीं आएगा. लेकिन he said states में आएगा MLC. That's 303. They're 303 here and they're 200 in my state. जोड़ तोड़ के हर राज्य में उनकी सरकार है आप. So why don't they do that? If we failed, I accept we failed. So then what is the difference between you and us then? So if they want to be the change, what they say, so they should apply it in Rajya Sabha. We will support it. I'm sure the entire India.
Thank you.
We will support it. Sir, the only last very short point, I would like to quote the Jawaharlal Nehru Pandit ji, the first Prime Minister. You can tell the condition of the nation by looking at the status of the women in the state, sir. So even today, the record of Maharashtra, and my friend Kakoli Ghosh talked about the state and the crime against women. I very humbly would like to tell them that what you're giving in decision making as power, we welcome it wholeheartedly, but this House in one voice must say the crime against women has to stop. And together, today's Maharashtra data says, and they have a home minister there in Maharashtra, where it has gone up exponentially high. So the way we are looking at decision making and power to women, we must even talk about crime against women, and the whole of Parliament must condemn it and make sure it comes down to zero. I wholeheartedly congratulate the government for bringing this government, and I support it. Thank you, sir.